I have already posted about the two websites that I used for my IELTS preparation journey, so I'm going to show you guys the third one. So the third website is called Engovate IELTS. I have also shown you guys how I used it for my writing, so you can also use it to practice from the Cambridge ones. So this is the website. You have to simply click on the first website. This is the interface and it will look like this. If you want to practice the reading section or writing section, you have to simply click on IELTS and IELTS test, reading tests. So these are the whole questions that you will find in this website. You can also practice the general training ones. You need to filter it so that you can practice the whole question all at once. For instance, if I want to practice the Cambridge 19, then full test, filter. It will show me this. For mock test, so you have to simply click on take test. This is the interface. You will see your passage in this side and you will see your questions in this part. You can scroll down to read the whole passage. You can also scroll down to read the questions. For answering the questions, you have to simply tap on it. This is it. And here you can also see the time limit. It will show you guys how much time is left in your hand. You can also switch from part 1 to part 2 by simply clicking on this part. After completing everything, you have to submit your answers and it will show you guys the band score that you achieved from this practice test. If you want to give the listening test, you have to simply click on IELTS listening test. You have to simply do the same thing again in here, Cambridge 19, full test, filter. It will show you guys the questions, take test. You can see the time. And these are the questions. You have to use a headphone for it, or you can also try to use any other thing if you want, but I will always recommend you guys to use a headphone because in the main exam you will be provided a headphone, and I feel like this is really helpful because it will help you to concentrate more on your actual examination. Okay, so you have to write down your answers. You can also try to highlight your text like this highlighting feature. You can write down your answers in here. Okay, scroll down. You can see everything in here, part 2, part 3, part 4, and after completing your exam you have to simply click on the submit button. This will show you guys the band score that you achieved.